everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I talked about how to verify your AdSense address without using physical PIN, and that video got a lot of engagement and I saw some important questions in that video. So in today's video, I am going to be answering some frequent asked questions in that video so that I'm going to clear any confusion you are having about using that method to get verified, what you need to do, how many times you need to request for your PIN before you can go ahead to do that method to verify your AdSense account. So if you are confused about that, you need to watch this video from beginning to end so that you are going to understand how that method works. So I am going to be starting with the first question, which is, please, have you requested for it before? Because I noticed that you clicked to request it for the fourth time, and how many ID did you use to verify? Okay, yes, it was when I clicked request for the fourth time. That is when I went ahead to use that method to verify it. So you have to request for the PIN the fourth time before you can use that method to verify your AdSense account. And the second question in this place said, and how many ID did you use to verify? I actually used my national identification card to verify it. I use my card. This is it. I use it to verify it. Why the second question is, if you have not requested for PIN what if you have not requested for PIN 2 to 3 times? My dear, you need to request for your PIN 3 to 4 times. Some people can verify when they have requested for the third time, while some fourth. Me, I did mine first time. I went ahead to verify it when I requested for immediately I requested, that was when I went ahead to verify it through that way. The third question is, I did not get contact from option. Can you please let me know other option? I actually replied the person, what are you seeing? Have you requested for your PIN fourth time? Because you need to request for your PIN the fourth time before you can go ahead to verify it without your PIN. But the next one said, okay, I just made my fourth PIN request because my account is not showing PIN arrival check. Thank you for your wonderful video. So he was not seeing PIN arrival check, so he went ahead to make his fourth request. Then I asked him, though he has not replied, I asked him if he has finally done it, he should let me know, but he has not yet replied me. And thank you very much for acknowledging that the video was wonderful. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. While the fifth is, must you wait for 3 times before trying this way? You just explain now. Yes, you have to wait for the fourth time before trying it, my love. You have to, because here there's a new way which I'll be talking about later on in after answering all these questions. Let's move to the last question. Thanks for the video. Please, must I request fourth time before I will see this option of PIN arrival check, because I'm not seeing it? Yes, you have to. So that is the question most people are asking, if they have to wait. You have to wait for the fourth time before requesting for your before you go ahead. You have to request for your PIN the fourth time before you go ahead to use the way I taught in this video. Okay, let's talk about this new way. Before I start applying for my PIN, before I start requesting for my PIN, then there's a new way that you can immediately you get to the level of verifying your address, your AdSense address. There's a new way now that is now available in Nigeria for Nigerians to use. Before, it was not available. When I went ahead to request for my PIN, it was not available. And those people that requested, if you have requested before, that way is not available for Nigerians, you will not be able to use that way again. But if you have not requested before they made Nigeria eligible to use that way to verify their AdSense, you can go ahead to use that way, but you must not request for your PIN, because if you request for your PIN the first time, that means you have to wait for fourth time. You have to request for your PIN the fourth time before you can use this way I taught in this video. Why that other way? I'll just put a clip of it on the screen for you guys to see how it is. Just a clip of it. So you can see that this way now that they are talking about, this way you have to, if it's as I said earlier, if you have requested for your PIN before Nigeria became eligible, you cannot use this way. But if you have not requested for your PIN, you can go ahead to use this way. But as this way is now available and you went ahead to verify without using this to request for your PIN without using this way, that means you have to wait for the fourth time before you use the way I taught in my previous video. And I hope I was able to clear any confusion. If you guys still have any question about this, you can still go ahead to write on the comment section. I am going to reply you, and if it means for me to make a video, as I'm making this video now, I'll make a video for you about it. And that is the end of today's video. If you have not yet liked this video, what are you waiting for? Please just to like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And lastly, share this video to those people that you think this video might be helpful to. And if this video was helpful to you, don't hesitate to write it in the comment section that it actually helped you out. And that is all for now. See you on my next video. Bye.